Case name Sai Kumar, age is 27 years and today date is 4th of January 2024 and complaint of high pitched voice even after puberty and ENT finding is Interarytenoid Pachydermia. So tell about yourself and your problem, why you came here.
My name is Sai Kumar. I am from Andhra Pradesh. I have a problem with high pitched voice. When I am speaking on calls, the people call me madam.
Voice sample after 4 days of therapy and today date is 7th of January 2024. So on which date you came and how do you feel after this 4 days of therapy? If you have compared your voice after 4 days in your mobile, what changes you are observing?
Yeah, I have joined the therapy sessions on 4th January 2024. Yeah, I feel something better.
Tell your hobbies.
Playing chess and reading novels.
So when you compared your voice sample recorded in your mobile, what changes you are observing specifically? Can you tell us?
Yeah, few of I talked to family members yesterday night. They are saying some loudness is improved and your voice rhythm is something better than previous.
Okay, thank you.